Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are making my favorite buttermilk cookies. I'm Chef Lami of Fruits and Bakes. Yay! So I'm going to drop the recipe in the description box under this video, so you can go down here and take down the recipe. So here are all the ingredients you need to make your buttermilk cookies. We have the icing sugar, the flour, the sugar, the butter, milk, and of course my flavor and egg. So the first thing I'm doing is adding my butter into my mixing bowl and adding my sugar into it, and of course I'm adding my icing sugar, confectionery sugar, which is my secret ingredient for this recipe. You're gonna love it, absolutely. So I started mixing it on high speed. You can start mixing it on low speed if you don't want the dust from your icing sugar to spread all over the place. And then I mixed it for about 3 minutes at first. When I mixed it for about 3 minutes, I had to scrape out the parts where my my paddle attachment was not touching, so I had to mix all over again until it doubles in size. Make sure you are looking out for your batter doubling in size. So I added my milk and baking powder into my flour, and then I started adding it into the butter and sugar mixture. So in this recipe you can use butter, you can use margarine. So what I did was that I mixed my margarine and butter together. The butter makes it more creamy, so I advise you always use butter whenever you're making this recipe. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out any of my amazing videos. I still have tons of recipes to share with you that you're going to absolutely love. So I continued mixing my butter for another 5 minutes, and it was ready. So here it looks like it's separated. It is not separated, it's ready. You are going to see me bring it together now, and you see that it is ready. So don't add excess flour and don't add too much liquid. Don't add too much liquid. So I'm going to let my dough rest for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. So I'm using cling film to cover the bowl. I'll let the dough rest for about 20 minutes. It's well rested, so I'm bringing it out. Why do we allow the dough to rest? It solidifies the fat in it and allows your cookie to come out crunchy, and your cookie does not spread too much. It comes out just perfect, just the way you have cut it out. So here I'm using the regular cookie cutter. You can use any cookie cutter, any shape, any size. Make sure you roll your dough out with your rolling pin. Roll it very well and neatly. Make sure you don't have spaces. Make sure you don't have holes, and make sure you don't have lines. So just roll it very smooth. Get your parchment paper and your baking tray and start bringing out the cookies you have cut. These cookies tasted delicious, really delicious. We literally finished it same day. So I got another cutter, this beautiful love cutter. So I'm cutting this out. You can use any cutter of your choice. You can use star cutter, you can use animal shaped cutter. Just get any cookie cutter and roll out your cookies and cut whatever shape you want. If you're not following us on Instagram, follow us at Fruits and Bakes Academy on Instagram. So after cutting all of my cookies, I preheated the oven for 10 minutes and I baked for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now I added some cocoa powder to the remaining batter I had with some chocolate chips to just make it a little bit of chocolate, and it also came out really nice. If you love this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop a comment, hit the like button. I want to see your engagement. I want to build a connection with you. Thank you so much.